Welcome dear student in one another session. Myself Darshana Sandeep Shinde from KK Wag Institute of Pharmacy, Chandori, Nashik. In our today's session, we cover the point morphine, which act as a narcotic analgesic. Let's start our session. Learning outcomes of our today's sessions are: students should be able to understand the concept of to describe the mechanism of action of morphine. It will be, recognize the pharmacological action of morphine and its therapeutic uses, recognize the main side effect of morphine and its contraindication, and discuss the opium addiction, its treatment as well as the acute treatment one. Let's see what is meant by analgesics. An analgesic or a painkiller is any member of a group of a drug used to achieve the analgesia. Analgesia means relief from the pain. Analgesics are the drugs that relieve the pain due to the multiple causes. These are not for the single ones. Drug that relieve the pain due to the single cause. That is example of its ergotamine used in migraine, and then glycerin trinitrate used in angina pectoris are not classed under the analgesics. Analgesics are classified into the two main groups. The major class of analgesics are: first one is the opioids, example of its morphine and codeine, and second one is the NSAIDs, that is example of its salicylates and paracetamols. First we see what is meant by narcotic analgesics or opioids. A narcotic analgesics are the drugs that relieve the pain by binding to the opioid receptors which are present in the central and peripheral nervous system and can cause the numbness and induce a state of unconsciousness. They produce unconsciousness and numbness to the nerves. We see the classification of the narcotic analgesics. It is mainly divided into three parts. First one is the natural compounds. The example of its codeine, morphine, papaverine. Then second, semi-synthetic. Example of its diacetyl morphine, that is heroin. Then benzyl morphine and ethyl morphine. Third one is the synthetic derivative. Example of its pethidine, then phenylethyl, etc. Then these natural compounds are divided into two parts. There is phenanthrin, a group of alkaloid. Under this class, morphine and codeine and thiamine are the examples. Then second class under the natural groups, benzyl isoquinoline group alkaloids. Example of it is papaverine and nascapine. First we see the absorption and fate of morphine. It can be absorbed after oral, subcutaneous, intramuscular injection as well as after being smoked. It cannot be absorbed in the intact skin. Morphine is detoxicated in the liver, that is conjugated and broke down of that. A certain portion is excreted in the stomach, that is gastric cleavage should be performed in a morphine poisoning even if it has been taken parenterally. That is, it is a poison is exceptionally a certain portion is excreted in the stomach. That's why gastric cleavage can be done if morphine poisoning is there. Morphine can cross the blood placenta barrier, so it can be cause the respiratory deficiency or depression in the newborn child. That's why it is not given during the labor pain. The next, morphine's pharmacological action of morphine. In that when it act on different parts of our body. First one on the CNS effect. Morphine is mainly a certain depressant, but certain centers are stimulated by the morphine. These centers are center depressed by morphine. Some centers are depressed, some centers are stimulated. First we see the centers depressed by morphine are the cortical pain center, respiratory center, cup center. In cortical pain center, morphine has an analgesic effect through elevation of the threshold of the pain perception in the sensory area, then alteration of the response to the pain, that is pain is still present in its effect on the behavior. This is a cortical pain centers effect. Example of its anxiety, restlessness are generally reduced due to that morphine. It produces the euphoric action. This can be passed to the central excitement or even the convulsion, that is the idiosyncrasy to morphine. In this case, morphine is contraindicated. These are the cortical pain center effects. Then next one is the respiratory center. What is the effect of respiratory center morphine? Respiration is depressed and sensitivity of the respiratory center to the carbon dioxide is reduced, leading to the decrease in the rate of the depth of the respiration. Respiration failure in case of the death of morphine poisoning. In the morphine poisoning, there is a death that is because of the respiratory congestion. Then cup center. On the cup center, it is made less sensitive by the morphine, so morphine can suppress the cup centers. Then codeine is usually used more because codeine is not addicting, then has a side effect less than that of the morphine, that is no respiratory depression. Then next, inhibition of the polysynaptic spinal reflexes is there. Then inhibition of the vasomotor center in the large doses. Then we see the centers stimulated by the morphines. Which are the centers stimulated? First one is the emitting center. Emetic chemoreceptor trigger zone in the medulla is stimulated by the morphine, leading to the nausea and vomiting. Then second is the oculomotor center. Then it is divided into it has the four causes. Morphine causes the severe miosis, that is pinpoint pupil triple P, due to different causes. Then stimulation of the Edinger-Westphal nucleus of the oculomotor. Then next effect is the on oculomotor center is the cranial nerves as a rest of the inhibition of the cortical inhibitory effect on the nucleus. And then last effect, that is this effect is central, so it is occur only if the drug is given systematically, not when applied locally in the eye. This is the oculomotor center effect. Then next effect is the stimulation of the monosynaptic spinal reflexes. Then next one is the release of the antidiuretic hormone ADH from the posterior pituitary gland. And last effect stimulated by morphine is stimulation of the cardiovagal centers, leading to the slow and full pulses. The next effect of morphine on the main muscles, that are the morphine increases the tone of muscles, causes the spasm of the sphincters. On the gastrointestinal tract, it decreases the GIT secretions, that is gastric, biliary and pancreatic and intestinal. Increase the tone of the intestinal smooth muscle. Morphine has the spasm of the sphincters. Then decreases the peristaltic activity, that is the peristaltic activity decrease due to the morphine, and increase the segmentation movement, that is increased absorption is increased there. Then decrease in the perception of the defecation reflex, and all these will lead a constipation, which is the considered as a side effect, but it is of value of treatment of severe diarrhea. But morphine is used in the treatment of the severe diarrhea, but in a normal case, if you take the morphine, it act as a or it give effect of constipation. Then on the spasm of biliary passages, it act as a marked increase in the biliary tract pressure due to the spasm of the sphincters of the OD. Then spasm of the biliary muscles. Then atropine partially antagonize this effect. Then on the bronchi, the therapeutic dose of the morphine do not cause the bronchoconstriction in a normal individuals, but it may be precipitate the bronchoconstriction in asthmatic patient due to the histamine release. So morphine is a contraindicated in the bronchial asthma due to the bronchospasm, release of histamine and respiratory center depression. Then next effect is, that is urinary bladder, effect on urinary bladder. Urine retentions due to morphine, due to the increased tone of urinary bladder sphincters. Then depression of the micturition reflexes. Then urine formation is decreased due to the central effect of the drug that causes the release of the ADH, that is antidiuretic hormone. Then increase of tone of ureters. In that, on the effect of the morphine on the metabolism are, morphine decreases the basal metabolic rate. Now on histamine, its effect, morphine is a histamine releaser. On the skin, morphine causes skin irritation due to the release of the histamine, that is sweating, wet skin, vasodilation, flushed skin, itching. and allergic skin reaction can be occur, all this because of the release of the histamine. On cardiovascular system, therapeutic dose has a no effect, but a high dose can cause the hypotension due to the peripheral vasodilation, that is because of the histamine release, inhibition of the vasomotor center. Then morphine use as a therapeutic use, or morphine's use are therapeutic uses are as a powerful analgesic in the treatment of the severe pain. This one is the major therapeutic effect. On a coronary thrombosis, then renal colic, then post-operative pains. It is used as a analgesic in a severe pains. Then terminal stages of a painful malignant diseases. Then pre-anesthetic, when we use the morphine in a pre-anesthetic medication, 15 to 10 to 15 milligram subcutaneously or intramuscularly 1 hour before general anesthesia is given. In a certain severe cough conditions, it can be used. Cancer of the chronicle tree. Then certain cases of the severe diarrhea, morphine is used as a antidiarrheal because in normally it gives a constipation action. Then side effects of a morphine. Morphine side effects, it causes the nausea, vomiting, constipation, itching, bronchoconstriction, hypotension due to the histamine release, urine retention, increased intratracheal tension, cranial tension. Then major side effect is respiratory depression and addiction. These are the two major side effects of the morphine. Then next, contraindications. Morphine should be contraindicated in the bronchial asthma, coronary pulmonary diseases, then in cases of the idiosyncrasy to morphine, then advanced liver disease, head injuries, and then during the delivery, morphine crosses the placenta level. That's why it is contraindicated. Then biliary colic, then acute abdominal pain, morphine should be contraindicated. Then maxemia, a low basal metabolic rate, it has a low basal metabolic rate, that's why it gives the constipation effect. In a prostate hypertrophy, in hypotension and constipation, these are the conditions where the morphine should be contraindicated. Acute morphine poisoning, clinical picture or symptoms, the patient in a coma, respiration is low and depressed, then cyanosis and skin is cold and wet, then pinpoint pupil, how the pupil may dilated due to the medullary depression when it is a terminal. And these are the clinical symptoms of the morphine poisoning. The treatment, we see the treatment, gastric cleavage with the potassium permanent magnet 0.2% oxidized and alkaloid, even if morphine was given by the injection, plus saline purgatives. We should use magnesium sulfate to evacuate the morphine from the intestine. Gastric cleavage is the major one. Then artificial respiration with the carbon dioxide and oxygen mixture. Mild respiratory stimulant may be used. Then specific antidotes should be used in the during the morphine poisoning or morphine poisoning treatment, and that is naloxone and naltrexone. Thank you very much for listening me. If you have any queries, then this is my mail ID, contact me.